Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a simple recipe. It's called garlic shrimp. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's prepare the shrimp. First, trim off the leg and the swimmer. Then cut off the nose part behind the eye and remove the stomach. Cut open the shell from the second segment all the way to the tail. Slice the meat to expose and remove the guts. Chop a clove of garlic into small pieces. Wash half of the garlic with fresh water to prevent burning during fry. Add vegetable oil in the wok. Add the garlic in the cold oil. Stir fry the garlic under medium heat until it turns golden brown. Now it's time to add the shrimp into the wok and stir and fry until it turns solid red. At this time, add 6-ounce beer into the wok. Add 1 teaspoon salt, chicken bone, sugar, and pepper into the wok. Then add the other half of the garlic into the wok at this time. Cook it under high heat until the broth becomes condensed. Finally, add some seasoned oil and decorate with some scallion. This is the garlic shrimp I'm talking about. It's easy to make and tastes great. I hope you enjoy this video. If you could, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.